Hey everyone, and welcome back to The Mind Detective. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of attraction, specifically those surprising signs you might be more attractive than you give yourself credit for. 1. People remember you. Ever have a brief conversation with someone only to have them remember you weeks later? This is a strong indicator that you made a positive impression. When we find someone attractive, we pay closer attention, making the details stick. Think about it. You're at a social event, chatting with someone for a few minutes, and then weeks later, you bump into them again. They not only remember you, but also recall specific things you discussed. That's a powerful sign that you left a lasting impression, and it's often rooted in attractiveness. 2. Effort to maintain contact. Do people go out of their way to stay in touch? Friends inviting you to events? Colleagues reaching out for advice, or even brief connections lingering on social media. These are signs you're valued and your presence is appreciated. It's not just about constant communication, but about the quality of the effort. Friends consistently inviting you to things, even if you can't always make it, shows they genuinely enjoy your company and want to keep you in their circle. Similarly, colleagues seeking your input or advice highlight the value they place on your perspective. Even seemingly small gestures like staying connected on social media can be a subtle indicator that someone finds you interesting and engaging. 3. People get jealous. A less pleasant but sometimes telling sign is when people exhibit jealousy. This often manifests when you connect with others, triggering insecurity or possessiveness. It might be a friend who seems overly invested in your conversations with others, or a colleague who becomes slightly withdrawn when you mention a new connection. Remember, jealousy isn't about reveling in discomfort, but recognizing it as a potential reflection of your own positive qualities. It's a sign that you're captivating and have the ability to connect with people in a way that others might find desirable. 4. Others. Adjust their appearance. Have you ever noticed someone subtly adjusting their hair or posture when you're around? This is a fascinating, often unconscious behavior. It's a way of saying, I see you and I want you to see me in a positive light. It could be a quick straightening of clothing, a smoothing of hair, or even a shift in posture. While it's not always a direct indicator of romantic interest, it highlights the subconscious desire to make a good impression when someone finds you attractive. 5. People seem interested in your life. When someone shows genuine interest in your passions, hobbies, and opinions, it's a sign they find you engaging and want to know more. This isn't always about being outgoing. Even introverts can attract interest through quiet attentiveness and remembering details. Pay attention to the quality of the questions people ask. Do they delve deeper than the usual small talk? Do they follow up with further inquiries or comments? Genuine interest goes beyond polite curiosity and reflects a desire to understand you as a person. 6. Strangers. Start conversations with you. Do you find yourself having friendly chats with strangers in everyday settings? This suggests you have a warm, approachable presence that makes people feel comfortable talking to you. It could be a quick chat with the barista at your local coffee shop, a friendly exchange with someone on the bus, or even a spontaneous conversation while waiting in line. These seemingly random interactions highlight your ability to connect with people and create a positive and inviting atmosphere. 7. Strangers smile at you. Frequently. Catching the eye of strangers and receiving friendly smiles is a simple but powerful sign of attractiveness. These genuine, spontaneous smiles indicate that something about you, your appearance, energy, or vibe, is perceived as positive and appealing. It's not about keeping count of every grin, but rather recognizing the overall pattern. Do you find yourself frequently exchanging friendly smiles with strangers throughout your day? If so, it's a strong indicator that you have a naturally attractive presence that draws people in. So, there you have it. 7 surprising signs you might be more attractive than you think. Remember, attractiveness is multifaceted, encompassing physical and non-physical qualities. Embrace your unique strengths and let your confidence shine through. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more mind-bending content.